Uh, Once again, welcome you all. Now we have come up with the new job alert, and here the company name is Niamo, Niamo Enterprise Solutions Private Limited. Okay, they are hiring for Java implementation consultants. Okay, so you just don't worry about the profile thing they have given here. Just go ahead with what exactly they need, right? Now here you can see the company looks good here. I think they have got their own buildings and all proper, and they have got good strength of the staff also. And if we go and understand what actually they are looking for and what are the criterias, okay, so here is the job description. Candidate should be BTech from electronics, IT, computer science with basic knowledge of software development and the related that. Then in the eligibility criteria and job profile, they have listed like you should have B or BTech in computer science, IT, ENTC, electronics and telecommunication only, with year of passing between 2017 to 2020. So I think the student, those who are not got the placements, and those who cleared in 2017 or 18, 19 and 20. So it's good, like they're taking the good amount of the years which are not yet placed. They can go ahead with this. Okay, they can try out here. And 60 plus for your criteria, 60% or above is mandatory across all the educational qualifications. No active backlogs. Should have no active backlogs, as in you should not have KTs. Maybe suppose you are in the final years and your results are there, or maybe you're not cleared, one of the subject is still pending, so that should not be there. KTs are allowed, but live KT is not allowed. You should have good knowledge of Java technology. Okay, so this is your mandate one. Java technology, as in you should know what is core Java, advanced Java. Then we have got the Spring frameworks and other things. So we'll have to be fluent or master of the Java programming concepts. Then designing and development AI products in computer vision, IoT and logistics space. So they are dealing in this, and deliver end-to-end app starting from front end, back end and UI interfaces, user interfaces. Being a part of HR technical design team, you need to responsible for implementation, maintaining Niamo product with different clients. So basically these are the things what you are supposed to do there. Then troubleshooting technology support to global clients and employees. I think they are majorly into the global, they have got the global market, that's why they are very much on to this point. Testing and clearance of the technology, taking part in training of end users on Niamo technology, ready to so they want to be you'll have to be always active with the requirement of the company. I think they are good with the things what they have listed here. Ready to join immediately. So they want people who can immediately join. Hinjewadi office, Pune. So they are basically trying to for the Pune location, and which is one of the booming location in India, and manage own commute. Okay, so you'll have to take care of your transport and other thing. Understanding of software development life cycle and Git. So you'll have to understand SDLC in the almost all the profiles what I discuss here, JDs. So they generally talk about this thing. They want the SDLC, the candidate should know HDLC and the Git. Okay, so you should have all these things active with you. And now how to apply. Okay, in order to apply and who call, you should have the work experience from 0 to 1. So like you are from 2017 to work somewhere 3 months or something like that. So here you need to have the relevant experience only. Okay, if you have into IT, okay, then only show those experiences here. Otherwise you can try it as a fresher as well, 0 experience. Okay, so 0 to 1 years can apply, and no issues if you are more than 1, 2 or 3 also willing to go ahead with this company that you think that it can give you a great start. So you can go ahead with this company as a fresher also. How to apply? In order to apply, you'll have to mail your resume here on this. Okay, you can visit the website also, neeyamo.com, and you can understand more about this, the requirements and all. You can know better about the companies and all. Okay, so that's it about the Neeyamo. So go ahead with your updated CV and try to grab this opportunity. Okay, I feel that company is great. That's majorly based on the global clients. Okay, go ahead and all the best. Okay, try to get this job and do share the channel and subscribe it, and definitely share with the needy students, those who already placed. Please do share with the other people who still struggling to get the job. And here other profiles also will coming, like those who are experienced 2 years, 3 years and more than that. Okay, thank you, bye.